Doctors are avoiding me, my vision is confused. I listen to my earphones and I catch the evening news. A murderer's been killed and he don't exist like the signs. Locked into a private world, I realize that I'm looking through Gary Gilmore's eyes. 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 Smash a light and anger, push my bed against the door. I close my lids across the eyes and wish to see no more. The iris sees the messages and send them to the brain.